do.
That is great.
Yeah. All right, next up here, peeking down the street to see.
Yes, I think this
hear
is
them in the distance. Yeah.
Connecticut Hurricanes
Yeah.
Drum and Bugle Corps. We have an all-age drum corps performance organization based in Seymour, Connecticut. The corps prides itself being the only DCI all-age drum corps in New England, drawing its members from throughout Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Vermont, New York State, New York City Metro. The Hurricanes have won every major championship title in all-age drum corps history. Let's listen. Sound great.
They sure do.
They always do. They're always a fan favorite, and they're just so entertaining.
Sharp, looking sharp.
Yeah, they really are.
I honestly think more people have been here since the first half hour of the parade